Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming for the week of October 21st to the 27th, and I am using my Harriet Wright Designs coiled A5 wide planner. And this week we are using the kit called Vampire. This is one of the Halloween kits that I had available in my shop, as well as a foil bundle that was from a mystery kit, so it unfortunately is not available. It was called Vampire as well. We did have a mystery kit come out last year that was vampire themed, and it did come with an exclusive foil bundle. So I decided to use that one, and I used it in red foil because I did like the blood dripping stuff on there, so I thought that was really fun. So as you guys may have noticed, I did not complete Planmas, unfortunately. I gave it my all, but to be honest, with the Canada Postal Strike, Black Friday, and Boxing Day coming up, as well as just Christmas and life, it got to be a little bit too overwhelming. And unfortunately, I did not prepare soon enough. So I'm hoping that this year, if I can continue to stay on top of YouTube, that I will pre-film a bunch of videos so that it won't feel so daunting and an overwhelming task when it comes to that time of year. So that's my goal for this year, is to just stay more consistent and to be able to keep on top of that. So I apologize that my videos didn't finish for you guys, but I appreciate all the love and support you guys have given my channel through Planmas, as well as the wonderful messages I have gotten. You guys are just so sweet. I have gotten comments on YouTube, I've gotten messages, I've even gotten emails of people just giving me really kind words and encouragement, and I just appreciate you all so much. So thank you very much. I feel like I'm in a very sentimental mood today because it is my shop's 7-year anniversary bundle that just went live today, so I feel like I have just been on cloud nine. You guys are just always so amazing, so I appreciate you all so much. So I do have a plan for this year. So in 2025, I do want to be more consistent on YouTube. And last year, my goal was to catch up on my planners. As you can tell, that has not happened. So this year, I am making big goals to finish up my planners this year. I'm hoping to finish up my 2022 planner, my 2023 planner, my 2024 planner, as well as stay on top of my 2025 planner. So I have videos for you guys coming in spades. I have been filming like crazy so that I can get a little bit of a backlog. So this is my idea for the plan moving forward for 2025. I'm going to be putting up 3 videos every single week. They are going to be set videos. However, if I have a different video that I want to add into it, okay, I'll just give you my schedule because I think that'll be easier to start with. So my schedule, I'm thinking, is Tuesdays is going to be my shop vlogs. I know you guys love to see the behind the scenes, and I'm going to do my hardest to show you guys even more this year. So Tuesday is going to be shop vlog videos. Thursdays are going to be a Throwback Thursday video where I do an older spread to catch up on my planners. And Sunday is going to be a video of my current spread. So the week that we had just finished being in is the spread I'm going to do. So I'm just going to try and keep my 2025 planner as current as possible. Now, I do have videos such as my reading journal, my bullet journal, as well as just regular planning stuff that I want to share with you. Those are going to be extra videos, or they're going to be sometimes included in the vlog. So sometimes I might show you my weekly spread in my bullet journal, and then that's going to be included in the vlog, but I might give you a overview video, and that'll just be an extra one, and I'll just kind of fit that in throughout the week. I'm not making pressure on myself to make those videos as much right now because I'm trying to work on finishing my planners. But I know I'm going to want to share those with you. Especially, I do want to make a video of my reading journal because I'm loving it right now. And I would really like to show you guys what I've all completed. So I'm going to make that video for sure. But yeah, that's my plan for 2025. Now let's dive into the actual plans before I talk your ear off. Okay, so let's start with Monday. Monday, I worked at a school office in the day. So I went to one office in the morning and then one office in the afternoon. So I worked in 2 different schools, and I love using our Prairie Girls with the little school to mark that. And then I thought I would do something different, and I used a little pencil. I think this is from the Coffee Monsters Co., and it's on their Halloween little pencil sheet, and it's really cute, and I thought it would be good to mark working in the office. And then I tried to use a ton of like Halloween stickers because I feel like I never pull in my seasonal stickers, and so I've been trying to do that more. So I pulled in another Once More with Love little TV sticker to mark that we watched Traders Canada. And then we ended up watching the show Happy's Place in the evening. That TV is from the Planner Mania. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen Reba, the show Reba. I loved that show growing up. And Reba and the girl who played Barbara Jean are actually in a new show called Happy's Place. And it's based on the fact that the girl who plays Reba McEntire, her character has always worked in this bar with her dad. Her dad owned the bar, but now her dad has passed and has left the bar for her. But as you find out in the first episode, also has left it to her sister that she wasn't aware that was her sister. So it's just kind of them figuring out their dynamic. There is a big age difference, so there is some of that humor. Of course, the character who plays Barbara Jean, I'm sorry, I don't know actresses' names. She is just hysterical and funny, and the people that work in the staff at the bar are really funny. So it's a good show if you want to check it out. I've only seen the first couple episodes, so I have to catch up on watching some more. On Tuesday, I marked that I worked here in the office. Again, I was using some more of those Halloween stickers, so I used a Once More with Love little girl on her laptop. And then I did take my kids to piano lessons on Tuesday, and we always go to Tim Hortons on Tuesday because of that. So I marked it with a little Halloween coffee cup. I also got my nails done this day, so I had my nail appointment. And my husband had his golf wind up this day just to finish up the men's night season. And I did go to Taekwondo. Now, if you see, you'll have noticed that I totally messed up and put my full box in like the wrong space on Wednesday. I put 2 on Wednesday, and so I tried to, I realized on Tuesday I didn't have a full box as I was planning it, and I was like, why don't I have a full box here? So I put one in, and then realized that I had 2 on Wednesday. So you're going to see me realize it right away and be like, oh no. So I ended up taking that girl sticker off and kind of rearranging it. I didn't want to separate that double box. There's one on Wednesday and one on Thursday. And then I ended up moving that full box that's at the top of Wednesday to the top of Tuesday. So you're going to see me shuffle around these stickers quite a bit, but I think it worked out for the best. Luckily, I have removable matte sticker paper, so it was really easy just to throw them back onto my reusable sticker book and then just put them all down again. So that's what I'm going to quickly do here. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. It is a giant snowstorm today here where I'm filming, so I am trying to get a couple of videos edited so that I can go pick up my kids from school because it's just insane out there today. So I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying well during this winter season. Well, now I feel like I chatted too quickly in terms of my Tuesday plans because I forgot that I had to change that full box out. So I apologize. I kind of like sped through it and then moved on, but that's okay. On Wednesday, I marked work again. I was working here in the office, and so I used one of our desktop icons to mark that along with a work script sticker. And I still was doing flu clinics during this time, so I marked that I had a flu clinic this day. I love using our little nurse icons to mark going to the flu clinics. I think they're just like beyond perfect for the occasion. And then I did get groceries this day, and we watched Survivor and The Floor. I didn't have a lot of plans on this week. You'll see, I feel like I just try to fill it in, but I think it still ended up looking really good. I usually like fuller spreads, but I think this one turned out pretty good. For my TV icon, I also used another Halloween TV from Once More with Love, and then I did use a Survivor sticker from the sticker party. Oh, I've also been trying to use these washi samplers. My wonderful friend Danielle, she gifted these to me a while ago, and I always forget to use them. I try and use them in my like bullet journal, but I honestly always just forget. And so I've been trying to use them up because I'm trying to get my washi stash into, I have two big washi drawer containers, and then I have two smaller ones. And my ultimate goal would be to just have the two big ones. I'm almost out of the one small one, so I have two big ones full and then one small one full, and I'm almost out of the second small one, so we're making our way through, but these are taking up space as well, so I'm trying to get to using them. All right, so moving over to the second half of the week, I worked in a school this day. I'm not sure why I didn't mark which school I worked in because I usually do, so I'm going to have to go back and fill that in. I also worked in a flu clinic as well. Me and my husband went and got McDonald's for lunch, so I ended up marking that with a poutine sticker because I just liked how that looked. And then I did go to Taekwondo in the evening, and we watched some Hell's Kitchen, and I used another sticker party flag to mark Hell's Kitchen. And then we watched the show Moon Knight, which was on our Marvel TV show / movie rewatch thing. We've been trying to rewatch them all, and we were on Moon Knight. So we watched that whole series. It was pretty good. I feel like we sometimes get into slumps where we really don't want to watch the show or the movie that's next, and so then it takes us a while to like keep going. But we were in a couple of the TV shows during this time, so we were kind of plowing through them. So another video idea that I had is I have a lot of spreads that are missing like photos in my sidebar or some stickers here and there or maybe something written down, or a lot of mine have been missing the movie stickers that we've been doing. I like to put in the ratings and stuff, and so I thought it would be fun to like go back and fill all those out in like a spread together. So that is another video that I would love to film. On Friday, I marked that there was no school this day, and my husband did have his level 3 exam. So my husband works for a water treatment plant here in town, and he has been getting his level certifications, and he is now a level 3. So that is very exciting. He got good marks on his exam, but he took his exam this day. So I used another one of the Once More with Love little Halloween pencils to mark that. And then I ended up going to a flu clinic this day, and I ended up getting my flu shot while I was at the flu clinic. I thought I would just kill two birds with one stone, get it done while I was there, and so I got mine done that day as well. And then in the evening, I was FaceTiming with my mom, so I wanted to put that I had a phone call with my mom. And I'm just filling in all of these extra spaces with some washi tape. If I don't have a lot of space in the day, I still like to make it kind of full, so I just take washi. These smaller little pieces of washi are really nice for filling in all those extra spaces. The sticker that I end up using for FaceTiming with my mom is from Bedo & Co. I don't know if I always say that right. Is it Bedo or Bedo? I don't really know. Anyways, her stickers are adorable, and I really need to order some more because like I was on her website recently and she's got the cutest little things. So I really need to place an order with her because her stickers are so cute. And I love this FaceTime sticker to mark FaceTime with my mom. On Saturday, my husband went to a Moose game in the afternoon, so it was just me and the kids at home. So I did a lot of puzzling. I worked on my puzzle, and then I did clean the house this day. So it was just a nice, relaxing day, just me and the kids doing our thing. And then my kids actually ended up going to a sleepover to my husband's parents' house. And then we just had a date night and went into the hot tub for the rest of the evening. So it was a very, very relaxing and very, very nice time. I love when my in-laws can take my kids so that we can have some date time. And then I ended up using a sticker from Stick with the Plan Co. to mark our date night, as well as a sticker party sticker to mark going in the hot tub. I love these big hot tub stickers for when I am just blocking off a whole bunch of space. Oh my goodness, I am like right in the camera here. I apologize. I didn't realize that I was putting my face so far to right in here, so I apologize. And then moving on to Sunday. So Sunday, since the kids were at our in-laws, we just had a very, very relaxing time. We slept in and just kind of chilled in the morning. I kept working on my puzzle, and then we watched the movie Beetlejuice. I had never seen Beetlejuice before. I think it's a movie that you have to have nostalgia for because I just didn't get it. I think it's fine, but I didn't see the hype that everybody always has for that movie. So please don't come after me if you like love this movie. But I just didn't feel it. So maybe it's just because I hadn't seen it before and I'm watching it more as an adult now. But I did want to see the old one so that I could watch the new one. I haven't seen the new one yet, but I do want to watch it. But I know I needed to see the first one first. So that's what I decided to do. And I used another Once More with Love Halloween TV to mark that. And then we picked up our kids and we visited with my husband's parents for a while. And then we came home and watched the movie Ghostbusters, which I also hadn't seen and loved. And then we watched Hocus Pocus for our dinner and a movie night. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.